up, you guys? Yo, boy, Spooky King, and we are back with another video today. So today's video, we're gonna be going through the haunted house slash haunted attraction, and I'm gonna be showing you guys a tour in the nighttime with no one inside, pretty much, so like that you guys have an idea. And I'm gonna be filming outside from the gate all the way inside with the whole music going on, so like that you guys have an understanding the way how it's fully built. Not only that, but tomorrow we'll be doing a daytime tour, and at the same time tomorrow I will probably be uploading a video of tomorrow's grand opening, so that you guys have an idea what it looks like when people are going through it and how people react to it. So hopefully we can get some good reactions. Other than that, see you guys until the next video. And here we go. It's so beautiful.
Concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
Every haunted house needs a couple old rusty toys to give a little deathly atmosphere. I'm good for a quiet, gloomy home.